Python is a dynamically typed language. When your application runs, a given variable can hold any type of value at any specific time, and that type can change without warning. Developers often use optional type hints to document what a variable should be. These hints provide helpful context while you write your code. However, those hints are entirely passive. They do not get enforced when the application actually executes. This diagram shows exactly where the vulnerability lies. We have a standard Python function expecting an integer. An incoming string payload approaches it. The runtime environment completely ignores the type hint. The wrong data type enters the function, and the application immediately fails when it attempts to process it. Pydantic solves this problem. It replaces the passive type hint with a declarative class structure. When the identical string payload hits this new boundary, Pydantic stops it dead and raises a precise validation error. To see exactly how this engine operates, we are going to build a realistic data model step by step. We will trace how it handles data parsing, specific field constraints, complex nested hierarchies, and application configuration. Pydantic takes the type hints you already use in your code and weaponizes them, creating an active, protective data perimeter around your application. This split-screen diagram illustrates the foundational setup. We define a new Python class called customer, inheriting directly from Pydantic's BaseModel, and specify expected types for name and age. By writing this declaration, you establish automatic validation triggers that activate the moment you create a new instance. There is a common misconception that Pydantic rigidly rejects any input that does not perfectly match the declared type. The reality is much more flexible. Let's look at an incoming payload carrying a slight data mismatch. The age value here is formatted as a text string, while our internal class explicitly requires an integer. Rather than rejecting the request, Pydantic intelligently converts compatible data directly into your declared type. This type coercion is a practical necessity when you process inputs arriving from external sources, like web forms or APIs. Those external sources routinely transmit nearly all of their initial data formats as raw strings. Pydantic operates as an intelligent parsing engine, taking messy external inputs and automatically translating them into clean, workable internal Python objects. Real-world data payloads are rarely perfect. They frequently omit specific pieces of information entirely. Here, we see how to handle missing data. You mark a field as non-mandatory using Python's optional type hint, combined with a default value. This setup guarantees that if an incoming record drops the middle name, the application continues to run without crashing. Missing data is one challenge, but actively dangerous or out-of-bounds data requires strict structural rules. To enforce these granular constraints, you use the Pydantic field function. We can apply a mathematical constraint directly to the integer declaration. This specific addition dictates that any accepted integer must always be greater than 0. If a payload carrying an age of -5 attempts to enter, it is immediately repelled. The library provides an extensive range of these built-in constraints, covering minimum and maximum values, string lengths, and even regular expression pattern matching. By combining optional hints with field constraints, you create a precise filter that executes strict business rules before a single line of downstream processing occurs. Built-in constraints handle standard data validation, but they cannot evaluate highly specific or unique domain logic. Here is the structure for custom validation. To verify a password contains at least one numerical digit, we add a field_validator decorator right above a regular Python method. Inside this method, you have total freedom to write custom logic to evaluate the incoming value. As the data ingests, the payload slides into the method. Our custom logic scans the characters and passes the validation only when it verifies a digit is present. You are attaching arbitrary Python execution directly to the moment of class instantiation. This accommodates infinite customization, guaranteeing that your exact domain requirements are enforced at the outermost layer of your architecture. Enterprise application data rarely exists in flat, isolated rows. It usually arrives in deep, complex hierarchies. This diagram illustrates nested modeling. We create an order class and define its customer attribute by linking it directly to the customer model we just built. Any Pydantic model can contain separate Pydantic models as individual fields. Watch as a heavy, real-world data payload approaches this structure. Pydantic processes this complete structure in a single, fluid operation. It automatically cascades down through the object tree, recursively validating every single level simultaneously, without requiring a single manual loop. You validate complex data relationships using one structural command, eliminating the need for brittle, nested conditional checks scattered throughout your code. This animated diagram demonstrates serialization, the exact reverse of the ingestion process, where we take our validated order object and convert it back into JSON. With a single method call, the structured Python object rapidly unpacks and flattens out into a raw text string. This capability is specifically what allows frameworks like FastAPI to automatically generate proper JSON responses to send back to a client. Here is how this scales into a realistic scenario. Imagine building a data pipeline to process customer records from multiple external sources. The messy data converges here, at the Pydantic perimeter. The model validates every single record against your declared structure the moment it arrives. The clean result flows consistently into your persistence layer. Any malformed data is caught and flagged before it ever has a chance to reach your database. Pydantic safely isolates your application's core logic and storage mechanisms from the unpredictability of external inputs. These robust validation capabilities are utilized far beyond API requests and database pipelines. As this diagram shows, tools like Pydantic Settings applies these exact validation rules directly to your environment variables, securing your application's configuration on startup. Testing libraries like Hypothesis read your Pydantic schemas to automatically generate hundreds of highly varied, realistic test payloads. By utilizing native type-ins, intelligent parsing, granular constraints, and recursive nesting, you gain absolute control over the shape of your data. These features operate together through one clean, remarkably consistent interface. Its integration into FastAPI is just one example of its widespread adoption across the ecosystem. Pydantic provides structural integrity and data security precisely where you need it most, at the critical boundaries of your application.